Have you ever visited a centuries-old cathedral and wondered how the tile floors installed hundreds of years ago are still intact today? The secret is a layer of tamped sand placed between the structure and the tile assembly. The sand allowed the tile covering to move independently from the substrate. This uncoupling of the two layers prevented movement in the substrate from producing damaging stresses in the tile. In addition, the sand effectively distributed heavy loads to support the tile covering. The combination of uncoupling and support ensured lasting installations. A more recent installation method that functioned on the same principles is the wire-reinforced mortar bed over a slip sheet or cleavage membrane. In these applications, the cleavage membranes allowed for independent movement between the tile and the substrate, while the mortar bed provided the necessary support. Building practices and tile installation methods have changed considerably since the sand strata method was commonly used. The most fundamental change in the tile industry was the introduction of thin-set mortars in the 1960s. Originally designed to be used as bond coats in conjunction with the mortar bed method, these materials were eventually used to bond tiles directly to the substrate. Although the direct bond method was convenient and allowed thinner and lighter tile assemblies, the benefits of uncoupling were lost. When the tile is rigidly connected to the structure, movement in the substrate can produce damaging stresses in the tile covering. Despite the drawbacks, the direct bond method became the standard for tile setting in most of North America. The risks associated with this method increased with the use of large format tiles, heated floor systems, fast-track building methods, and unstable materials such as plywood and OSB. Today, the need for uncoupling is greater than ever. In 1987, Schlüter-Systems introduced the Strata uncoupling and waterproofing membrane in an effort to improve the performance of thin-set tile assemblies. Strata was configured to provide lateral flexibility to allow independent movement between the tile covering and the substrate. This is the basis for the uncoupling function. The shape of the membrane also ensures proper support for the tile through the columns of mortar formed in the cavities on the top of the matting. Strata provides reliable tile applications through the ancient wisdom of uncoupling and support, as well as the modern requirements of waterproofing and vapor management, in a method that matches today's building practices and tile installation techniques. Applying centuries' worth of knowledge has helped create long-lasting tile installations with the use of Schlüter-Systems.